Packing up, day one.
My very first night in a tent went surprisingly well. I slept like a baby, I had a hefty breakfast, and I was ready to go.
I don't know where to go. This way?
On the back side of the old circuit, which is from Camp Suron to Gray, there is a limit of 80 people per day. So while the campsites may look busy, the walk itself is quite peaceful.
An hour into, a little over an hour into day two. Quite windy today, no rain yet.
Sunshine!
Some sunshine right now. Everyone's bag's troubling her. My bag's hurting a little on my right pectoral, but apart from that, we're good.
Yeah.
I want an apple.
Right now?
Apple. Yeah.
I wanna wash it though.
First hill done.
Day 2 felt like a long day of just walking. Yes, I knew we signed up for 9 days of walking, but this day felt like such a drag. My whole body ached, a different spot every hour, and there wasn't much change of scenery to distract me from the pain. Dean was doing a lot better than I was, and that was a good thing because he kept me going. Throughout the 9 days, he had his days and I had mine. Had we both struggled together simultaneously, we may have given up. The only way out is to walk out though.
truck bred turkey.
We could smell the bathroom before we could see the ranger station. A lot of people were enjoying their lunches here, but because we had already eaten, we just signed in and left.
On the Dixon. Go.
No.
She said no. Third shoe tie incident today. Well,
I needed to dip my feet in cold water because my feet were burning up and felt like they were about to pop. I was in excruciating pain. Unfortunately, I chose the wrong spot. I got attacked by mosquitoes, crazy ladybugs, and grass. I freaking cried. But of course, life goes on and we had to keep moving. I was actually getting more and more excited that we were staying in a refugio and not a tent. The best decision we made on this trip was to go half campsites and half refugios. Highly recommended if you're a first-time camper like me.
probably to speak on the GoPro.
Almost there. Pretty steep. We are staying in a 5-bed dorm tonight. We were supposed to have a third person with us, but he'd rather sleep in a tent. The trekkers were predominantly male, so this shower was all mine. While it was truly amazing to have dinner served like this, I couldn't help but think, I want to get rid of the food in my bag.